Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Okay, today we are going to talk about the subcontractors that are working on the Southern Coastal Highway Improvement Project. Now, recently it was in the news that the residents in St. Thomas blocked the road because they are protesting against what they say is a deplorable state of the roadway. And they are blaming the local subcontractors for these problems. Okay, so let's look at the project and then let's look at how the subcontractors got involved, and then we'll look at what the subcontractors are saying and what the residents are saying. All right, so the Southern Coastal Highway Improvement Project. It's a project to build a highway from St. Andrew, or from Harborview in St. Andrew to Port Antonio in Portland. Now, the main contractor is China Harbor Engineering Company. It involves building 140 kilometers of highway road, and it's estimated to cost about $59 billion. Now, when the contract was given to China Harbor Engineering Company, it was said that they should use local subcontractors where possible. So a total of 10 local subcontractors were hired or retained to build certain parts of the highway. Now, the highway is being built, as we said, from Harborview to Port Antonio. At certain points along the road or along the highway, they're going to take the existing road and improve on it. An example, from Harborview to 11 miles in Bull Bay, the highway is going to take the existing road, that's 2 lanes, and upgrade it and turn it into 4 lanes. So that's certain parts, and then other parts they'll build a highway from scratch so it doesn't interfere with the existing road. So now at certain points along the way, the existing road has to be worked on, and that is where this problem with the subcontractors and the residents come into play. So the subcontractors, or let's just say the highway project, involves one, tearing down structures, putting up new structures. It also involves, as we said, the road being, how would you say, worked on, because the road is going to be under construction. So it's going to cause problems for motorists and persons that live there and those kind of things. So the highway corridor will include the acquisition of over 600 parcels of land which are within the alignment, or which are within the roadway. This will impact 391 structures that include homes, churches, schools, clinics, grocery shops, hairdressing parlors, jerk huts, commercial business, retail establishments, etc. So basically, it's a major project. So you can imagine. Okay, so the new roadway is going to also work on drainage, which means new pipes have to be laid, new culverts, new detention ponds. The road will be raised in some areas, and it's a lot of work. So what the residents are saying now, why they blocked the road the other day, is because they're not pleased with the pace at which the subcontractors are working. So the residents blocked the road, they burned tires, the whole 9 yards. They were very upset, and there are reports that they started to intimidate and threaten the highway workers, and the police had to be called, and the police said there was a lot of tension in the area. So what the residents are saying is that the road, first of all, they're saying the project is taking way too long. Second, they're saying that new water pipes had to be laid, and the pipes are not connected to their house, so they don't have any water. They're upset about the the paving of the road, because the roads have been dug up and they have not been paved, and basically the slow pace at which the work is going on along the project. They've also complained about the dust, the noise, those kind of things in the past. And they're all valid concerns, I guess, because construction is going on. Now, at the end of the day, China Harbor Engineering Company is responsible for the entire project. So with the residents protesting, they're not blaming China Harbor Engineering Company, they're blaming the contractors. Now, some time ago, this issue had come up, and the subcontractors had called for a meeting with the government to discuss what was going on. So the Prime Minister, through the Ministry of Economic Growth and Job Creation, because that ministry is in charge of the project, that's where the NWA is now located, the National Works Agency, they had a meeting with the subcontractors to see what was going on. This is some months ago. And at that meeting, the subcontractors were saying the reason why the project is moving so slow is because of a few reasons. Like, they have to wait on the NWA consultants to give approval for the work. They have to wait until the land is purchased, and they said that was moving very slowly. They said they get paid through China Harbor Engineering Company because they are subcontractors, and the road work or the project has been delayed. So those kind of issues. So the Prime Minister said he would meet with the NWA consultants and meet with China Harbor Engineering Company and see what could be worked out. Now, that was some months ago, and recently, like this week or a few days ago, the persons in the area blocked the road, and this came back to the forefront. So I'm just giving you guys an update as to what's going on. We have to wait to see what comes out of. I'm assuming they're going to have another set of meetings and they'll see what's going on. Now, this highway project is being done in phases. So it's not the entire project that has these issues. It's just certain parts, because remember, in certain parts the existing road was. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Remember to like, share and subscribe, and you can leave your comments in the section below. Alright, have a good day.